Welcome everybody to this tutorial about Mammoth AI. Mammoth AI is a French company which is hosting its services in Germany. The special thing on Mammoth AI is it combines all major LLM models one subscription tier. When you create your account at Mammoth AI, you can select between three tiers: the starter tier, the standard tier, and the expert tier. So today we are checking out the starter pack, which is €10 a month or €80 when you have a yearly subscription. So what is combined in all the tiers at Mammoth AI? You have access to ChatGPT, to Claude, Mistral, Gemini, DeepSeek, Flux, and LLM models. Let's have a quick overview of your account settings. Change your email, your password here. You can manage your subscription and you can see your usage quotas. Also, you can select the language. We have a lot of languages available besides English. You can choose between a lot of European languages. Then you can choose your default model, and in the advanced settings, you can look out your devices, you can export all your conversations, and you can import conversations from other chat services, but currently only ChatGPT is supported. This is also sometimes not working quite well, so you can delete your conversations and you can delete your account. These are your general account settings. Arrived on the dashboard of Mammoth AI, you have the chance to create different Mammoth. Mammoth are the same like your projects in ChatGPT. So under each Mammoth, you can organize your conversations. Creating a new Mammoth gives you the possibility to choose a name, to add instructions, and to also add files. Then you can choose a color and maybe a nice design for your icon. How does Mammoth AI work? So simply you can type in your prompt like in any other LLM model, and after you did that, you see your selection of models that you can choose to send the prompt to. So it starts here with the text models like Mistral, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok, Qwen, Kimi, and Llama. Then you have the image models like Flux, Nano Banana from Gemini, Recraft, ChatGPT Image, Stable Diffusion, Grok Image, and SVG. Then you have the reasoning models. This is K2.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, ChatGPT Thinking, Deep Research from Perplexity, Magistral from Mistral, 3.2, the Grok Reasoning, and Opus from Claude. So with a click to the model, you can send your prompt. So now ChatGPT answers you in this example, what is the Wikipedia? Then you can continue your conversation here. You can also reprompt your question into another AI model. So for example, we choose now Mistral. Then you see that a new chat opens. The request is sent to Mistral and Mistral will answer you. So you can repeat this with any text model available. So now let's check the image creation, and we start with Nano Banana. And at the same time, when Nano Banana still works, we can send the same request to Flux. And we can send it also to ChatGPT Image. So Nano Banana is done, and we see our picture, and here we have the chance to download the picture. Flux is doing. Flux also gave us a picture. And now we have the ChatGPT picture as well. So this is how image creation works on Mammoth AI. Now we must talk about one thing that is maybe a disadvantage for you, but it depends on how intensive you use AI. So this is about the quotas. You can go to your account settings and then see my quotas. So here you see your text quotas. This text quota is resetted all 3 hours. So normally, if you are using the text requests on a normal basis, you should not get any problem with this quota. So the other thing is the image quota. I used 92% of it already, because this quota is resetted all 30 days. So it allows you to generate 60 images on the high performance models. After you reach the quota, you will only be able to use the Flex 1 model, which is not as good as the high performance models from Nano Banana or from ChatGPT image. So the same actually for your documents. This quota is also resetted after 30 days, and you can use or analyze 20 documents on the high performance model. So as higher you subscribe your tier, as higher your quotas go. These are the quotas for the starter tier. Basically, this is everything you need to know about Mammoth AI. I hope this video helps you to make a decision either to choose it or not. If you need some more consultations, you are welcome to book our IT services from our website. I wish you a nice day and see you next time.